Hey YouTube, this is The Green Cabbie with We Is The Future, where we are spending more time with the family. We're doing baby product reviews, we're also doing healthy recipes and family videos, and today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tell you about a product that we picked up when our son was born, and it is the Motorola, what is it, the Motorola MBP36S. It's the 3.5-inch digital video baby monitor, and what we love about it, as you see, we've actually worn some of the buttons off, which is kind of crazy, but what we love about it is in color. So let's go ahead and turn it on. It's in color, so if you see here, I'm sitting over there, and you can actually get into it, and it has a lot of different settings. So you can turn the volume up so that you can hear what's going on, alright, and then you can make it brighter. So say if it is in the infrared mode, so like you have it in the baby's room and it's dark, you can actually make it brighter, which is pretty awesome. And then it's got songs that you can play. It's got 5 different songs that you can play, and you can put it on loop, where it gives you the ability to have lullabies for your child, and you can play that on their monitor. Well, not on the monitor, but on their camera. It gives it the ability to play some songs, which is pretty awesome. And then it's got a magnifying glass. So if you see here, you do the magnifying glass, and then you select which one you want to do. So if you see here, I'll do the magnifying glass 1 second. So I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, you can go up and down with it, all that kind of good stuff. Alright, you can change it. And then let's go ahead and move over. So you can set an alarm. So say if you want your baby to sleep for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 6 hours, you can set an alarm. So it will do that as well. And then it also has the different cameras. Now if you see here, it's got the view and the scan. So the scan basically means it will go back and forth between several cameras. So ours, we have 2 cameras set up. So let's get out of here, and we have 2 cameras set up. So we'll go to the next camera. So this is camera 2, and you see right now our son is sleeping. And what you can do while your son is sleeping, say if he's moving around or you want to make sure that he's sleeping, like I said, you can do the zoom. So you come over here, do the zoom, and it zooms in, and you can see them really close. And this is an infrared mode. The lights are off, and it gives you the ability to see them and make sure that they're okay while they're sleeping. The infrared mode is super awesome, but the funny thing is when they sit up and if they're looking at the camera, it looks like they've got, you know, the red eyes. It's like, oh my gosh. But yeah, so let's keep going. And then it also has temperature, and it tells you what the temperature is in the room, which is phenomenal. And you can do it in Celsius or Fahrenheit, which is pretty cool. And then down here in the corner, you see it's got the little microphone. You can actually talk to your baby. So say if they just woke up and you want to say, I'll be right there, honey, or, you know, I'm coming, or time for bed, whatever, you can do that, which is really, really nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and get out of there. Now, it has a built-in battery pack in the back, so you can charge it up and then take the monitor with you. What we found is the monitor actually goes probably about 30 to 50 feet, depending on what kind of interference is in between. If it's a straight line with no walls or anything like that, it can go about 50 feet. If it has walls, garage, something like that in there, it goes about 30, 35 feet, really, really clear. And it'll start beeping, and then it'll say no signal if you've gone too far. So. And then if you want to turn off the monitor, it has this little button here. So you see this is the sound bar. It is still monitoring the baby, but you want to turn it off, say if you want to get some sleep and not see the light, and then you can turn on the monitor to look. So really, really good stuff. All right. here are one of the cameras. We have this one set up in the living room so we can monitor our son, say, for washing dishes or something. And it's got a little antenna on the back, and then it's got the little microphone so that you can hear, and then it's got the power plug, but this one also has the ability to install a battery pack inside, and with the battery pack it gives you the opportunity to mount it wirelessly without the power plug, which is pretty awesome. It's got the on and off button, so say like if you have the power pack on in there, it's not really focusing on the on and off, but if you have the power pack in there, then it gives you the ability to be able to reset it and turn it off so that it's not doing a lot of power. And then it's got the pairing button right there, and the pairing button, basically what it is you turn on the monitor, and then say, I think you can go up to 5 or 6 cameras. Basically you turn on the pairing button, and that gives it the ability to be able to hook up to the monitor so it knows that you have several up there. And as you see on the bottom, it also has this little mounting bracket so you can mount it up on the wall. This thing actually goes almost in 360 degrees. It goes all the way over, all the way over, all the way down, and all the way up almost to the back. So pretty awesome and amazing. So once again, this was our review and how to use the Motorola Digital 3.5 Video Baby Monitor. This is the new look. It's a little bit more rounded. The one that we had actually purchased is right here, the one that we just showed you. And as you see, it's got 4.5 on the rating scale, and it is 1,403 review comments. So it has been really, really popular. Runs on 2.4 gigahertz on the wireless. So it says 200-meter range with an out-of-range warning. I don't say 200 meters, maybe if that's in line of sight with no walls or anything like that. But like I said, it works on about 30 to 50 feet. So. Alright, so hopefully this was informative on our baby review. See our little baby while he's sleeping. So if you get a chance, please give us a big thumbs up if this was informative. Please share it on Twitter, on Google+, on Facebook, all that kind of good stuff, if it was helpful, so that other people can also be helped out by it. Please subscribe so that you can join us for more family fun, reviews, and healthy recipes. And as always, spend more time with your family, because time you cannot get again. We'll talk to you later.